When buying a TV, go for Mini RD. And when choosing Mini RD, pick TCL. Hi everyone, welcome back to TCL's channel. In the previous episode, we discussed how the brightness is a core indicator of the picture quality, affecting how the display device presents and reproduces the images. Besides directly affecting human vision, brightness also influences the color performance. Brightness and the color have a mutually influencing relationship. Here, we introduced two new concepts, color volume and HK effects. Understanding these two concepts will help us clarify how they interact with each other. Let's first look at how the brightness affects color, which involves the concept color volume. Color volume is a three-dimensional measure of the color performance, the ability of the TV to display the colors at all brightness levels is closely related to its color volume. Color volume is determined by the brightness, hue, and saturation, and it represents the device's capability to display colors. You can imagine it as a polyhedron, where this plane represents the familiar color gamma, the Hall-Schur diagram, and this axis represents the brightness. The volume of this polyhedron is the color volume. The larger the volume of the polyhedron, the broader the range of color of the device can display, and the richer the variation in the color intensity and the brightness. The size of the color volume is directly related with the hue, saturation, and the brightness. As the brightness increases, the color volume also expands. This means that all other factors being equal, the higher the brightness, the better the TV's ability to display colors. Of course, aside from brightness affecting color, color can also influence perceived brightness. This brings us to the HK effect, which we will discuss next. Before discussing the HK effects, we need to understand another concept, color purity. As the name suggests, color purity measures how pure a color is. The higher the purity, the more vivid and distinct color appears. Make it easier to identify, like instantly recognizing a red area in an image. Conversely, lower purity makes it harder to distinguish the specific color. The HK effect refers to the phenomenon where the perceived brightness of the light by the human eyes increases with the color purity. For example, if we compare a highly pure red color with a color of a lower purity, the high pure red will appear brighter, while the color with a lower purity will seem noticeably dimmer. Let's make it more intuitive. Here are two TVs with the same brightness setting and a white image on both. Notice that the brightness levels are identical. Now, without adjusting the brightness setting, I will display the two different artworks. The left TV uses the color with the higher purity, while the right TV uses the color with the lower purity. You should clearly see that the left TV appears brighter, right? So, you can see why sometimes, even though we haven't adjusted the TV's brightness, a vibrant, colorful image can suddenly feel glaringly bright. It's due to the HK effect, where higher color purity can make the image appear brighter, even when the actual brightness setting hasn't changed. The interaction between the color and the brightness means that the more vibrant and intense colors will make the perceived brightness appear higher, while the higher brightness enhances the visual impact of the colors. That's all for today. We have covered the significance of the brightness in the real world and its relationship with color. Next, we will dive deeper into the relationship between the brightness and the picture quality. Stay tuned!